Right. So today we will study the next chapter in the chemistry, that is alcohols, phenols and ethers. So again this chapter consists of three parts. One is alcohols, the other is phenols and ethers. So these three parts are to be studied detailedly. They are studied detailedly one after the other. So among these three compounds, the first one we are going to study is alcohols. Now what are these alcohols? What is the definition for alcohols? How do we get alcohols? Means, so alcohols are the hydroxy derivatives of hydrocarbon. Usually the hydrocarbon what we consider is an alkane. So alkane general formula, it is CnH2n plus 2. CnH2n plus 2. So hydroxy derivatives of hydrocarbon in which the OH group is attached to the aliphatic carbon chain. Aliphatic carbon chain. Now aliphatic carbon chain is nothing but, so this is nothing but a carbon hydrocarbon part. To this hydrocarbon we will have, we have to attach a OH group by replacing a hydrogen atom. By replacing a hydrogen atom. So let us write a general formula here by taking alkane as the formula. So CnH2n plus 2 will replace one hydrogen. That means we have to remove one hydrogen. After removing a hydrogen, it becomes CnH2n plus 1. And in place of that hydrogen, I will write OH. Then that becomes an alcohol. So such type of compounds are called alcohols. In simple manner, we will write ROH as the general formula for alcohols, where R may be alkyl group or it may be aralkyl group. So what is this aralkyl group? So that can be known in the next class here. So this is the simple introduction for alcohols. The definition, general formula. So hydroxy derivatives of hydrocarbon in which the OH group is attached to the aliphatic carbon chain. Such compounds are called alcohols. They possess the general formula ROH or CnH2n plus 1 OH. So this is the formula whenever the hydrocarbon is alkane. So ROH is the general formula where R may be alkyl group or aralkyl group. So this is a brief introduction for alcohols. Right. The next topic is classification of alcohols. Now these alcohols are classified based on different aspects here. So among those, the first aspect on which the alcohols are classified is based on the number of OH groups. Number of OH groups. So number of OH groups itself indicates that those compounds may contain 1, 2, 3 or more than 3 OH groups. So based on that number, the alcohols are classified as monohydric, dihydric, trihydric or polyhydric compounds. Now what are these monohydric compounds? So monohydric compounds, in these compounds they contain only one hydroxyl group. So one hydroxyl group containing compounds are called monohydric compounds. Example, see here, CH3OH, CH3, CH2OH. So this is the parent alkane is methane, this is ethane, this is propane. So in all these compounds, in all these alkanes, we have removed one hydrogen and replaced it with OH. Then they become alcohol. Since these contain only one OH group, they come under the category of monohydric compounds. Then dihydric compounds. In the name itself, di is nothing but 2. So these contain 2 OH groups. Example here, CH2OH, CH2OH. This compound contains 2 OH groups, so that it will be the example for dihydric. And polyhydric. So polyhydric compounds, these contain, poly means many, so more than 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. If the compound contains more than 2 OH groups, they come under polyhydric compounds classification. Example, so in this compound it contains 3 OH groups, so it is an example for polyhydric compound. So this is the classification based on number of OH groups. And one more classification is there, that is the classification based on the hybridization of carbon to which the hydroxyl group is attached. That means the hydroxyl group attached to the carbon, that particular carbon varies in the hybridization. It may be sp3 or sp2. Now, so based on the hybridization, suppose if it is sp3, see here, compounds containing C carbon, sp3 hybridized carbon attached to the OH. So in these compounds, see here, in these compounds, the OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom of an alkyl group, So these compounds further classified as primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. It is very much similar to our previous chapter, that is haloalkanes. That's like primary alkyl halides, secondary alkyl halides, tertiary alkyl halides. Here also primary alcohols, secondary alcohols, tertiary alcohols. Primary alcohol. What is primary alcohol? So primary alcohol is nothing but the OH group will be attached to primary carbon. That means that primary carbon should be bonded to only one alkyl group. That is called primary alcohol. Secondary alcohol means the OH group is attached to the secondary carbon. What is secondary carbon? Secondary carbon means again it is bonded to 2 alkyl groups. They may be same or they may be different. Tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol is nothing but the OH attached to the carbon is tertiary carbon. Tertiary carbon means this carbon once again bonded to 3 alkyl groups, or dash, or double dash. They may be same or different. That is primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. In all these alcohols, the OH is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. What is sp3 hybridized carbon? sp3 is nothing but around that carbon only single covalent bonds exist. So in all these 3 compounds, the carbon is bonded to only single covalent bonds. Then that comes under the category of compounds containing CsP3OH bond. Again, the same compounds may be, not only primary, second and tertiary alcohols, some other alcohols are there where the OH is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon only, but their names are different, particularly allylic alcohols. Allylic alcohol is nothing but the OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. This is, see here, OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon next to the carbon-carbon double bond. So next means this is carbon-carbon double bond. Such type of compounds are called allylic alcohols. Here also the carbon is sp3 hybridized. Then benzylic alcohols. In the introduction, I have mentioned aralkyl alcohol. So aralkyl is nothing but aryl group plus alkyl group. Aryl is nothing but benzene. Alkyl is nothing but aliphatic chain. So here the benzene is there, aliphatic chain is there. So collectively it is an aralkyl. It is an aralkyl alcohol. particularly this such type of alcohol is called benzylic alcohol. Benzylic group means benzene connected to CH2. This group is called benzylic, and OH is their alcohol. Now again in this compound, the OH attached to carbon is sp3 hybridized. So this compound also come under the category of compounds containing CsP3OH, because see this carbon, around this carbon only single covalent bonds. This is single covalent bond, this is single covalent bond, two hydrogen atoms. Here also in the allylic alcohol, single covalent bond, and carbon will have two single covalent bonds with hydrogen atoms. So these are the examples where we can observe the OH attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon. So one is primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols, allylic alcohols, benzylic alcohols. So there is a chance of asking for 1 mark in the examination. So give an example for allylic alcohol like this. Now this classification is compounds containing OH group attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. There are some examples where the compounds where the OH group attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. sp2 hybridized carbon. What is sp2 hybridized carbon? See here, OH group bonded to a carbon-carbon double bond, directly carbon-carbon double bond. See, such carbon, a double bonded carbon is always sp2 hybridized. Such type of alcohols comes in this category. Example, vinylic alcohols. See here, vinylic alcohol. Vinylic is nothing but directly this ethene group. This is vinylic group. OH, if OH group is attached, then that becomes a vinylic alcohol, and the carbon is sp2 hybridized. Similarly, we can take this example, phenol here. In this, the OH is attached to carbon, which is a double, it contains a double bond here. So this is also this comes under the category of the OH attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. So this is about the classification. So we have studied today a brief explanation of alcohols, the definition for alcohols, the general formula for alcohols, and the classification based on number of OH groups like monohydric, dihydric and polyhydric compounds. And one more classification is based on hybridization of carbon to which hydroxyl group is attached. So if the carbon is sp3 hybridized, then we can give the examples as primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. Allylic alcohol is also an example. Benzylic alcohol is also an example. Then one more classification, that is the OH group is attached to sp2 hybrid. Examples for this is vinylic alcohol, phenol, in which the OH is attached to double bonded carbon, that is sp2 hybridized carbon. So this is about the classification. In the next class, we will discuss the nomenclature of these alcohols.